Hi, hello everyone. Today I will be teaching you on how to create a Pioneer account in Nigeria. How to create a Pioneer account in Nigeria. First thing you have to do is go on Google and search for Payoneer.com. After you get in there now on the page, you can scroll through to understand what's going on, check on everything, and understand the page just for so you understand everything. As you can see, I'm scrolling through just to check and understand the page. You should do this, read everything on this page. Now next you click on get started to get you started in your account creation. Now I've clicked on get started. It's loading. It's asking me what I want to use Pioneer for. Now I'm going to select freelance or SMB. You can also select individual, affiliate marketing or anything. You can just select anything. But just select something that is more based on what you'll be using it for. Since Pioneer will be used to receive money from international clients. Now the next thing you should go is select get paid by international clients or marketplace. The reason I'm doing this is because I want to create my Penny account in order to receive money from the US or the UK. Now after that I click on register on this page. Now once I click on register it should go, and once it's done loading it's going to come in here. Once I'm here I should be able to fill in my details. Now I'm going to fill in my personal details here. You can fill in all your details. Please don't guy. There will be a verification check. Pioneer would ask you to upload your ID card later on. And if you create fake details, when you upload your ID card, it's going to show, and it might get your account restricted. So now I'm putting in my date of birth. Next, I will be filling in my security details. This includes my creating a password, adding my ID card number, and also my bank number. That's why this went blank. It's already programmed it, so I've filling in the details. Okay, I'm done filling in my details. I think provided my ID number, and now it's showing me reviewing process. So once they are done reviewing it, they will send me email. I can access my account. I'm done creating the account, but they are supposed to show me my bank account. You'll see it in the next few videos. But I'm done creating your account. This is your process of creating your account. Now you should go to Pioneer.com. Once you sign on Pioneer.com, or if it was not very good, go to Pioneer.com. Then you sign in. Now once you click on sign in and it's good, you put in your details. You fill in your email and your password, the email you use in creating the account, and your password. You can also use your business name because they might ask for your business name. So you use either your email or that name and your password. Once you are done typing in your password, you click on sign in to go to the next page. Now, once you are in the next page, you tell you to if you want to use two-factor authentication. For now, I'll be selecting not now. You can turn on two-factor authentication on your own, but I don't want to turn on two-factor authentication because then this is not my personal account. So if the person wants to use it, you can turn on two-factor authentication. Now it's asking you to update your security settings. This will show you since you are creating a new account. So you just come here, you fill in the details here. These are security questions in case you forgot your password or you are locked out of your account. You have to answer those questions. I've I'll be answering my own now. I've answered them. So I'll be answering my own in the next few slides. Alright, I've answered my security questions and it's loading now. They'll send me verification code after I've answered the security questions. So I'm just waiting for the verification code. Once I receive it, I input it here, as you can see now. Then I click on submit. Once I'm done, it changes to my account has been completely created. I can click on done and it will load my home page. Updated, I'll click on get go now since I've updated my security page. It's going to load and it's going to come to my Payoneer page. Now there are certain things that I'm supposed to show here. It will show me my US bank account and my UK bank account. But since the account is still on preview, it should normally take between 24 to 48 hours. So once you do this, as you see, I'm just showing you this. This managed currency is the kind of amount I'm going to receive. And once you do this, you're able to receive. If you want to receive money, you can just go to business network. Sorry, not that. Um, Go to banks and cards. Now this is your bank which you have to receive money. If you click on withdraw and transfer, it's going to show you the bank you've added. You're going to add your bank while creating the account. So me, I added a Kuda Microfinance Bank. So you can add any bank. It supports almost any Nigerian bank. So you can add any bank to it. And this is my own page. So I'm going to wait for 24 hours and maybe check it again tomorrow or later to see whether they have added my other banks. Alright. Um Thanks for watching. I'll continue the video tomorrow. I should log in. Okay. Now I'm logging in. This after 24 hours. This is in the SD. You can notice it's on my time. The time is different from the first time I did it. So now after logging in, I'm logging into my account now. I think my this thing should have shown. I've logged in before to check it, and my other accounts have shown. So I'm just logging back in to check the account, and as you can see, there are a few accounts on the top over at the top there. You can see it again: USD, Euro, and British pounds. So I can receive money in any of those accounts. Look at when I click on receiving accounts now. As you can see, this is my US bank account. I can come in here, click on it to show my bank details. Oh, this is also what I cannot use my US account for. But yes, you can use for merchants, you can use for payments, business payments. You just can't use it for your personal transaction, like sending money from Nigeria bank now to your Payoneer bank. It's possible, but that'll be on another video how to transfer money into your Payoneer. If I go this receiving accounts page again, you should be able to see my USD and my British pounds. There are usually just two accounts that will be working until you receive a minimum of $50. But this is enough for most things. Since if you want to increase the number of banks or the type of bank that you can just continue doing transactions with your Payoneer and you will have more banks there. Alright. Now, some people you'll be wondering if I receive payments my Payoneer, can I withdraw it? Yes, you just have to go to withdraw and transfer and click on withdraw to the bank you've added. You can add any bank in almost any. A lot of bank there are a lot of bank which supports Payoneer, so you can send money or withdraw money directly to your bank account. When you're like you in Nigeria here, you can withdraw money directly to your Nigerian bank account from Payoneer. Like if you can see here, I've added my Kuda, and most of those know Kuda if you're in Nigeria, for example, Kuda is a recent bank. So me being able to add my Kuda makes you understand that it's easy to withdraw money. Click on bank account, I can click on this and I can add more banks. If you add one bank, I can add like 5, 10 different banks. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.